Governor Andy Beshear says his mask mandate and other orders are necessary for public health and the economy. And without them, he says, rising COVID cases could overwhelm hospitals like the one behind me. For those reasons, he says, he is not backing down from his executive orders.
It is in full effect. And let me just say about that order, it's really irresponsible.
Governor Andy Beshear says Scott County Judge Brian Privett's temporary restraining order issued Thursday will not affect the mask mandate.
Basically, it says that 540-something businesses that range from a farmer's market to part of a university to an expo center that seats 7,000 people don't have to follow any rules or regulations at all. I mean, that's simply crazy.
Judge Privett's ruling had two parts. It shut down an executive order regulating agritourism during the pandemic, and it set forth new requirements for future executive orders.
Now, first of all, Governor Bevin personally attacked judges, called them bad lawyers and bad people. I'm not doing that. But this judge put out something that puts the lives of Kentuckians at risk.
Governor Beshear's previous comments about rulings drew a rebuke from Attorney General Daniel Cameron, who has joined many of the lawsuits challenging the executive orders.
Here in Kentucky, it's the only attorney general in the entire country suing over these restrictions. So in other places, this isn't political. Sadly, here it kind of seems to be.
To hedge his bets, Governor Beshear's order also directs the Cabinet for Health and Family Services to create an identical mask mandate through emergency administrative regulations, which are not covered by Judge Privett's ruling.
We're going to get that ruling overturned, but the way that we put this mandate into effect isn't going to be impacted by it at all.
Now, the Beshear administration has filed something called a writ of prohibition. It's like an appeal of the judge's ruling. For this case and others, we are certain to see a showdown in Kentucky's Supreme Court. Mark Vanderoff, WLKY News.
Thank you, Mark. And Attorney General Daniel Cameron's office declined a request for an interview today. But this afternoon, Cameron says his office is filing a motion to have the Scott County judge review Beshear's order to see if it complies with yesterday's ruling. Cameron says he does not have an issue with wearing a mask, but says the governor's order has to follow state law.